What's up guys, I'm Troy Raju and I'm back with a new electronic video. This time I'm going to teach you all how to adjust the brightness of an LED using a 1K potentiometer on a breadboard. The components you're going to require for this project are a 9V battery with a battery clip, a breadboard, a 470 ohm resistor, a LED, a 1K potentiometer which has 3 pins, and a screwdriver just to adjust the resistance. So let's get started. First, place the potentiometer on the breadboard. Connect the 470 ohm resistor in series to the middlemost pin of the potentiometer. Now connect the LED in series to this. Now connect the 9V battery. You can connect the positive voltage to the first pin or the third pin. Now our circuit is ready. With the help of the screwdriver, adjust the resistance of the potentiometer. When the LED is shining brightly, that time the potentiometer is giving less resistance. Once I increase the resistance of the potentiometer, the brightness of the LED decreases. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed the video.